1986 Chevrolet K10 regular cab long box here at Unique Classic Cars. 350 small block Chevy power paired up with a 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, cowl induction hood. Let's take a look at this front chrome, blacked out grille. All right, still pictures of this truck. If you want to see the engine bay, the undersides, interior, bed, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Hankook, radial tires. See the locking front hubs. Silver exterior with kind of the blue-gray cloth bench seat interior. Paint on this one, is it perfect? No, you can see there's a few spots where you may have a touch-up or a missing little paint chip, what have you. It's one of those trucks. Get in, turn the key, drive it, have some fun. We all know how popular this body style has become. You can see visor installed. Panels appear to be straight on this one. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer peek at that interior. It does have a soft rollable tonneau cover, and you'll see that rolled up in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the bed. There's a bed mat in there, rubber bed mat. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some of the more recent things that have been done on this truck: has new front brake flex lines, rear wheel cylinders, valve cover gaskets, cap, rotor, plug wires. Battery was replaced in 2025, as well as the power steering pump as we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, tailgate. Does have dual exhaust with headers. Also, technician had a few notes. Brakes are 70% front and rear. The differentials, front and rear, transfer case fluids, all good. Four-wheel drive is in working order. The FM radio working. Wipers work. Just mentioned there are a few powertrain seat switch on a truck that's driven and used. Quite normal. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Chevy trucks, no matter what year really, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor, of course, if you can see us in person. A little imperfection on the bottom of the door, just wanted to point out. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There you can see the blue interior door panels. In kind of that bluish gray. Bench seat belts intact, tilt column. There's a few aftermarket gauges I did notice over here too that have been installed. Let's fire it up and check those out. Does have an Edelbrock floor barrel on it. HEI ignition. Here's voltmeter, oil pressure, and temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp to be up. Top of the dash looking good. Radio is working. Was this an 8-track? Nope. AM, FM. Visors installed, are intact, and sliding rear window. Let's take a listen. Nice sounding exhaust, a little rumble coming out of that 86. Again, 350 small block Chevy power. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Check out this engine bay. Take a look at it running, and then, like I said, we'll get Jason to drive it after that. Good look at the underside of the hood. And there it is. See headers, again, power steering, power brakes. Running pretty smooth. '86 Chevrolet K10 Silverado. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1986 K10 Chevy pickup truck. The K means it's a four-wheel drive. We do have the manual four-wheel drive shifter down on the floor. This is an automatic transmission on the column. Our turn signal indicator is working. Nice, smooth running, square body Chevy truck, like they almost all are. One of America's most reliable vehicles. In my opinion, nice running truck. Great looking cowl induction hood. Don't know that I've seen that before, with the two raised segments looking really good. It's silver with a blue interior. Nice cloth bench seat. Our gauges are from Bosch, some of them. The volts gauge is showing over 14. The temperature gauge is showing 190 degrees. From SunPro, the oil gauge, oil pressure, is showing about 30 psi. Factory speedometer showing 50, that seems about right. And the fuel gauge, though, is topped out about full. We get a little bit of wind noise from the wing window on the passenger side. Could be tightened up. Factory stereo.
93 watt, K10 head, show head.
Appears to be the factory stereo. Is working well. The blower motor also blows air. Nice blue carpeting matching the door panels, matching the rest of the interior. Brakes smooth and brakes straight. Saw some corners quite flat for a 4x4 with a little bit of height on it. It corners really well. Power steering, easy to steer. The wipers also working. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1986 Chevy K10 square body pickup truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.